Ever feel like your dog's turned into your shadow overnight? They won't eat without you, they follow you to the bathroom, and heaven forbid you close a door on them. According to Dr. Ely, sudden clinginess is your dog's way of saying something's off. It could be stress, anxiety, or even pain. Changes in your routine, a new pet, or even your mood can trigger it. Yep, they're emotional sponges. Dr. Ely recommends first ruling out medical issues, then increase playtime, give consistent affection, and try calming routines like walks or enrichment toys. Has your dog ever gone full stage 5 clinger? What triggered it for you? Follow us for more tips on keeping your pets happy and healthy.